Hey everybody, we're just picking up steam for this year's raffle. It's coming up in just 2 weeks from today, guys. November 19th, we're gonna be giving away this 1937 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead. If you ask me, it's one of the nicest bikes that we've ever raffled. Incredible machine, 61 cubic inches, 4-speed transmission, restored right here in the Wheels Through Time restoration shop. And the day is fast approaching, guys. So I'm getting ready to take this thing out for a test ride right now. We've got the bike dialed in. It's been sitting in our showroom right in the foyer for about a year now, and things are ramping up, guys. We're getting incredibly excited, and the bike is running better than ever. I had about, I don't know, 50 miles, 60 miles on it just the other day, and this thing is running top. So like I said, guys, 37 Knucklehead, incredibly rare motorcycle. Not too many of these out there today. So heart of the engine, or heart of the machine, 61 cubic inch overhead valve engine, second year for the Knucklehead. So Knucklehead started in 1936, kind of the grandfather of the American motorcycle. It's what made everybody's bike what it is today. And incredible engine. Now this machine's made up of almost all original parts. Bought the bike as a taken apart machine from our good friend Slow Joe Gardella in Michigan, and restored it over about an 8-month time. So Joe had found a 37, kind of mixed and matched and mildly correct, spent 30 years amassing the right parts to make this a really beautiful 37. We told Joe what our plans for the bike were. We wanted to restore the machine for our 20th anniversary raffle, and Joe made us the lucky next owners. Now, as you guys know, November 19th, this machine is gonna go home with somebody new. So every year, the Wheels Through Time raffles off a motorcycle. It's one of the things that keeps this museum going. And this year, the 37 is just, if you ask me, it's the best bike that we've ever done. So like I said, 61 cubic inches, 4-speed transmission, 1937 transmission, finished off in Delphine blue with teak red striping, edged in gold. You know, 37 one-year only parts sprinkled all over this thing, guys. 37 speedster bars, 37 front end, 37 fenders, incredibly rare 1936 to 39 Harley-Davidson gas tanks. These gas tanks alone, just so rare, so sought after. Really cool to be able to include it on this restoration. So 120 mile speedo, 37 was the first year for the 120, and amp gauge, oil pressure gauge, killer beautiful 34 to 38 tail light. This bike is really gonna make somebody happy. I hope it's one of you guys that are watching. And what we're gonna do is take this thing for a ride. So like I said, 50 miles or so on it the other day. It was running perfect. It's oiling properly. It's doing everything it's supposed to. So we're gonna get out right here, see how she runs. It's a nice cool fall morning, so this thing ought to fire up really nice and easy. And we're gonna put on some miles, guys. Stay with us. There you have it, guys. 1937 Harley Davidson Knucklehead, running just absolutely tops. This thing is so much fun to ride. And one lucky winner, look at there, still burning fresh paint off of this thing. One lucky winner is going to take this thing home in just 2 weeks, guys. So incredibly excited. It's going to be sad to see it go, but it's going to be awesome to make one of you guys' day, make one of you guys' year, hopefully winning this 1937 Harley. Thanks everybody for your support. If you haven't got your tickets yet, go to wheelsthroughhtime.com. Make sure you get your tickets today. We got all sorts of ticket deals for you. Get you a t-shirt, get you a free DVD of the whole build of the bike. And guys, thanks a ton for tuning in. Good luck. It's coming up fast, November 19th.